As we know, home ownership has many long-term financial benefits, and with less than a week left until taxes are due, did you know that owning a home can also get you some tax benefits? Joining me with more is Scott McElmurray with Bank of Little Rock Mortgage. Less than a week. We got till Monday to do our taxes.
Yeah.
I've done them. Don't yell at me.
Good for you. I have not.
He
So.
has not. Okay, goodness. Well, do you own a home then?
I do.
You do, so
I
you
do.
need to get on
That's
it.
Right.
So
That's right.
this is a great topic for people maybe who own a home, but maybe who don't and are considering it.
Sure.
What are the benefits this time of year?
There are several benefits tax-wise. One of those would be the mortgage interest deduction. Nobody likes to pay mortgage interest, obviously, but at least you get a deduction. And the earlier you are in your mortgage, the higher that deduction is going to be.
All right. What about some other ones this time of year?
Well, if you got a new loan this year, whether you purchased or refinanced, some of your closing costs could be deductible. If you pay mortgage insurance, a portion of that could be deductible. If you've done any home improvements, energy efficient home improvements, new roof, heating and air, those kind of things, you could qualify up to a $500 tax credit. And then any property taxes that you've paid would be deductible. Now you have to pay them. It's not what you put in your escrow account. It's what you've actually written a check for. But.
Well, that's kind of great. It sounds like when you had mentioned those things like energy efficiency upgrades, things like that, it's going to be costly at the time, but it sounds like it's going to pay off in the long run.
Potentially. I think you look at the tax benefit, but you also look at the energy savings over time.
What else do you think homeowners should know this time of year? We're getting closer to the end of tax season.
We are. Well, a lot of people get a refund, and it'd be tempting to potentially pay down your mortgage, which is certainly a good idea, but you want to make sure that you've covered all the other things like maintenance expenses, savings, retirement, those kind of things, as well as look at what other debt you have, because given where interest rates are on mortgages right now, you probably, if you have any credit card debt, it's going to be a higher interest rate and probably a better place to put that money.
That's right. I noticed also you had said on here about an emergency fund.
Always good to have that. I mean, you want to make sure that you have some money socked away in case you have something that comes up.
Life happens.
Sickness, life does happen.
Life happens as well. And this also mentions if you've contributed to your retirement or your child's college fund, that can help in the long run.
Absolutely, absolutely. Because again, where rates are right now, that money will grow over time. And so you might want to consider putting your refund in something like that that's going to grow and help you out in the future.
So do you suggest doing these kind of things like upgrading your home throughout the year, even though it is going to cost a little, at that moment?
You won't want to put those things off and deferred maintenance, because the more you put it off, probably the more costly it's going to be. So if you can handle those things on an ongoing basis, it's usually better to do so.
Yeah, because they'll end up getting a lot worse if you don't take care of them right away. Anything else we should know as tax season wraps up? Monday is the deadline.
Monday's the day. You get 3 extra days. That's good, right?
Yeah, that's right.
I need them.
You need them of all people, right?
Right?
He needs to get on it. Thank you so much for joining us this morning with some great advice, whether you have a home or looking to buy one.
That's right.
Thank you so much.